Welcome back to Coyote Classics here in Green, Iowa. Today we're checking out and test driving this gorgeous 1967 Chevy Camaro. Absolutely a gorgeous car, and in my opinion it's restored in the best color combination out there, black with red interior. This one's paired with the Redline Tires, looks fantastic.
Got the old AM FM.
And it works too, huh?
Well, it did not. I couldn't get it on AM, but we got some good static going.
Nice. Full console with the console mounted clock. Kind of neat. It's got the Deluxe Interior. We'll get to all that here in a minute. We'll start under the hood, but
I'll tell you what, Michael buffed this, and this paint is gorgeous.
Yeah.
It was beautiful before we bought it, but it's really nice. How would you do? Drive it through a mud puddle, Big D?
I guess I did.
We took the pictures the other day and must have drove through something.
Yeah, the paint's got like a mirrored finish on it, just really nice and smooth.
Look at that. Just a nice, crisp engine bay, power steering, power brakes. We got a 327 here, D.
Yep, that's what you got under there. 327 steering, brakes, backed up with a 3-speed automatic. It's got the right manifolds on it.
Just a nice, nice car.
Yeah, it is.
Something you can be proud of. Take to any of your local car show, cruise night, jump in and drive it. You know, not a trailer queen, but not too far off either. I mean, it's one you definitely don't want to get any chips on. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Hood lines up great. Grill's very nice. Looks like bumpers have been re-chromed. It does have the front and rear spoiler.
It's got a little kind of muscle. It's got one little, you can see it in the right light. It's got a tiny, tiny little dimple right there. Just very, very, very small. Mm-hmm. But other than that, the hood lines up good, don't it? Beautiful hood.
Rock chips there. Yeah, I love the Camaro hoods with the, the Super Sport hoods.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, very nice paint. Front fender's in great shape. Love the choice of wheels and tires too. The Redlines look awesome with the rally wheels. Anytime you can get a Redline tire on a black car, it really pops.
Wow, everywhere you look on this, it's just a nice restoration. It really is. Make sure you go to our website. I think you took the photos of this one, D.
Yep.
CoyoteClassics.com. Check out the 25 photos of the undercarriage.
Yeah, undercarriage is very nice. Looks like when they restored it, it was rotisserie done. Floors are painted nice black.
Really?
Door jamb paint's great.
Yeah, the doors, the fenders, everything was taken off when it was painted. Beautiful door jamb paint. As far as the interior panels, there's a couple little chips here in the painted plastic, the dyed plastic. Mm-hmm. Same thing here on the inside, so a guy could get just a little red dye and redo that, but seats are gorgeous in it. Front seats, back seats, beautiful. And it's got the Deluxe Interior, right? So that's gonna have the padded armrest and the little black in the seat and the console. It also has tilt steering. Isn't that cool for a convertible?
Got some nice options.
AM, FM, original radio, and like I said earlier, it does make some static. It wasn't coming in, but maybe I can put the antenna up. Corners of the doors are beautiful.
If you toss me the keys, I'll put the top up for you.
Yeah.
And I like when they restored.
Does it have a power top?
It does, yeah. When they restored the top, they even like when they painted the rails and stuff for that top, it's all,
That's what I noticed
nice,
right
shiny.
away. You can tell they blasted it, painted it. I mean, it's gorgeous. Inside the trunk, you got a BFG brand new spare. All the spackling and stuff is beautiful as well. You got a jack and all that, jacking instructions. Jam paint's beautiful there.
Power top works great. Your switch is down in the factory spot right underneath the
factory switch, I feel like.
Yep. Yeah, all the bows, everything for the top, they restored as well.
And you said it, Dalton. The best color combination, black with red guts. There's another black with red interior, 1939 Ford Street Rod we're gonna do next. Go ahead and roll this window up here. Now, we took the back seats out, Dalton. I don't know if you know this. We took the back seat out, took all the door panels apart, and fixed the rear windows. Made sure they went up and down good.
Felts are great.
Corner of the door is excellent. Again, door panels are beautiful. We just have a few chips on this plastic here from getting in and out. Steering column is gorgeous. Again, tilt steering wheel. and it's in beautiful shape. And how about how tight that steering wheel is? So many times on the tilt, the column just gets wore out, you know?
Hey, and how about for a convertible, the way the windows and stuff fit? Fit awesome.
Wow, that doesn't happen every day, does it?
Hey, and I got an answer for a question that people are gonna ask about it. Is it watertight? The answer is no, none of them are watertight.
I bought a brand new 2011 Camaro convertible and I took it through the car wash and I got freaking soaked.
Yeah.
Brand new.
Yep, so it seals up great, but no convertibles, and hey, really any convertibles, like you said, even the new ones.
You like to hope they are, but when you get enough pressure with water coming, sometimes they're not.
But no, it seals up nice.
As far as the paint goes, it is a beautiful paint, very, very shiny, very nice. But if you look right in the right light, you'll see some sand marks right here. Just a few little flaws. I mean, no rust bubbles, nothing like that. I mean, it's in great shape, but there is just some little paint imperfections right there.
And I don't have receipts to certify, but the previous owner had listed that the paint was done in 2016.
2016.
So that makes it,
about 10 years old.
Yep.
Almost.
And still has an outstanding shine.
Oh yeah. This is just a little buffing compound, guys, right here. See that little white? But there is one tiny, tiny little chip right there on the edge. But like I said, super nice car. Besides those little sand scratches, you see what I'm talking about? Just got some little paint imperfections through here.
Yeah.
But such a nice shine and such a beautiful stance. Let's take it for a spin, shall we?
Let's do it.
Windshield's crystal clear. Look at the side windows and stuff. They're nice and clear as well.
Yeah, looks like all that trim and stuff was done.
Yeah, it's nice. Somebody spent a lot of money on this car. It's got 902 miles on the odometer. Guessing it's had new speedometer and stuff done. Gas gauge works.
Starts very easy.
It does.
Heater
fan works. We'll turn it down a little bit, but we want that temperature on hot and defrost. That'll move like it should. Visors are tight, rear view mirrors nice and tight. This does have a 3-speed automatic transmission as well. It's got the nice slide. It's just done right. And I mentioned before, really for a tilt column, it's pretty tight. Yeah. Most of the time they're just wore out. Wipers. Horn does not work, but it feels like it might just be missing the horn relay or something because it feels like it's all there and clicks. Radio does, like I said, turns on, but it just has some static.
The box is nice. Another ignition, maybe with original ignition.
Look at this aftermarket. I don't want to say it's aftermarket, but it's probably a dealer installed clock. It looks like I've seen some of this stuff before.
Pretty cool.
What is it?
I don't know what this is.
Sun visors, some dumb receipt.
Yeah.
Okay. The heat works good, that's all I know. Looks like we got some soul videos to do next. A couple of them. Power steering, power brakes. Speedometer works good. Here's our brakes. Again, we go through all the brakes, front and rear. Brake pedals, perfect, they are power. But really nice full pedal. The booster feels good, doesn't feel like we got a leak there. Go through the gears once, goes all the way down to first like it should. Not probably a powerhouse, just a little 327. Not bad when you go through the gears. That's 55 in second. Shift it right up to third. It's got a nice transmission.
And it seals up really good as far as wind noise.
You know what? It does. I mean, that's 65. So you're gonna drive it mainly 55. I don't know why I'm going so damn fast. So 55 mile an hour. Looks like the guys could maybe see if that kickdown could be adjusted. Yep. I always like that to be done, and for some reason that didn't get, don't feel like that's engaged there. Brakes are perfect. We're gonna go ahead and start just from drive now. And the steering is really nice. I don't hear no whine in the power steering. Tires are just the right size. Yep. And for a little convertible, especially with a tilt wheel, I mean, there's a lot of room in here.
Yeah, there is. There really is.
You know? Gonna get up to second. Okay, we're up to second. Okay. I was at the wrong speed. So, yep, good job, guys.
Kickdown works. Runs good.
That's 65. It goes down the road awesome. The steering straight, the alignment straight. This is the 4th car we did videos on today, and I would drive any one of these anywhere.
Yeah.
They're just quality cars.
Yeah, they are. Check them all out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.